dad always wants me to film inside the tent to show what tent life is like. We got some bougie camping going on since we're car camping, but I've got my styrofoam pad protecting this Nemo pad. Basically feels like an air mattress. Got my pillow from home, 40 degree sleeping bag tonight. It's supposed to be 60 in the Guadalupe Mountains, or 60 degrees below. So this should be perfect. I'll probably just kind of use it as like a quilt. I take up about half. This is a 2-person tent, so really like 1.5. Actually pretty cold when you're outside, just kind of chilly. And it's very windy, is what I was about to say.